The starter motor relies on an electromagnet to push out a pinion gear. When you turn the key, the pinion extends and engages the large ring gear on the engine flywheel. The motor spins rapidly, driving the crankshaft to start the engine once ignition occurs. Once the engine fires, the pinion immediately disengages to prevent damage from reverse rotation. Windshield wipers are driven by a linkage system that reciprocates the wiper arms. The motor drives the crank by reduction gears. The crank pushes the linkage to move back and forth, enabling the wiper blades to sweep repeatedly along an arched trajectory. Rainwater is thus scraped away and cleared from the field of vision. Air suspension adjusts height by inflating and deflating air springs. When the air pump activates, air fills the springs, lifting the vehicle. When deactivated, the springs deflate, lowering the vehicle. This provides comfortable shock absorption while automatically adjusting height based on road conditions. Seatbelt retractors rely on centrifugal locking. Under normal conditions, a light pull allows the spool to rotate freely and the belt to smoothly extend. During sudden deceleration, the internal spring immediately locking the belt, securing the occupant to the seat. The seatbelt buckle is secured by a mechanical latch when the plug is inserted into the buckle. The inertia-driven locking pole engages the gear, and steel plate automatically snap into the groove. The audible click signals the latch is fully engaged. Pressing the release button retracts the steel plate, and the plug springs out. Finally, window operation. An electric motor drives the rack and pinion system to raise or lower the glass. Pressing the switch sends an electrical current to drive the motor in either direction. Through a gear mechanism, the glass is raised or lowered. The entire process appears as a simple press, yet it relies entirely on the coordinated workings of a precision transmission system.